Hello everyone, my name is Joshua Bush and I'm going to be talking about the different types of stars for my lesson. So the learning objective is that the students will be able to define the various types of stars that goes with the NGSS standard 5 ESS 1-1 space system stars in the solar system. And for my lesson, they're going to watch a YouTube video of the different types of stars, read an informational text, and then share their findings after a brief presentation from me, which is the following. So this is the YouTube video. I'm not going to play it, but it'll be hyperlinked. And this will be something I'll be telling the students, and this will not be an actual slide in the presentation, but it helps them understand the types of stars given the brightness of each star, and the easiest way is to think of it as a fire, the coolest part being red, and it gets hotter, yellow, and then the hottest is blue, and that's the same way as stars. The hotter the temperature, the brighter the star. And to begin with, there's going to be vocabulary cards passed out to the students, and these vocabulary words will be on them, something, just to prime them with, knowing what hydrogen is and helium, because those are the things that makes up stars. Dwarf, because almost every star is the color in dwarf, yellow dwarf, red dwarf, and such. And luminosity, which, in the simplest terms, is just the brightness of everything. And there's the red dwarf, very simple, not bright. They're very common. They're small, and they burn slowly. Orange dwarf, again, they're very common. They are stable, and they can survive for hundreds of billions of years. The yellow star, the yellow dwarf, which is the sun, is a very average star. The lifespan is about 10 billion years. And the blue dwarf, which is the brightest of all the stars, it's large, it's compact given that they're heavy, there's a lot of mass in them. They burn their fuel quickly, which means they are hotter, which means they are brighter, and those don't last long. So their lifespan is very short compared to the others. There is a brightness chart which has the luminosity on the left hand side, and from bottom to top it gets brighter. So at the bottom it's dim, and the higher you go up it's brighter, and the temperature goes from left being the hottest to the right being the coldest in terms of stars. There is going to be a text that I will pass out, which I have saved in the lesson, and we're going to go over that as a class, and for the first few paragraphs, and then they're going to break into groups, there were 4 different types of stars, so they're going to have 4 groups, and they will collaborate and find find more information about each star, and then they'll be able to share out to the class what new things they learned. and after that there will be a Kahoot, but for the sake of this lesson I didn't completely make it, but they will, after they all shared and took notes, they'll have a little quiz that I'll give them just to check their understanding for everything. And when they return back, because this is a flipped class, the homework, which will be the actual classwork, is them writing a paragraph about the different types of stars and what makes each star different. And after writing a little paragraph, they will, I'll give them, there will be a big bucket of the four colors, just a lot of crayons, and they will randomly just put their hand in it, whatever color crayon they get, they will draw a picture of that star and write little, the most important characteristics of that star. So sorry I was quick. I was trying to make the presentation fast, but I have links to everything that I said. So I hope everyone enjoys this presentation. Thank you.